This new song reversal that Ryan just completed shows how God and the angels give a prophecy for a cure of COVID-19. They also weigh in on the state of the presidential election in the United States. It seems obvious now that Joe Biden is going to be the next president in the U.S. Heaven knows there are a lot of people hurting right now. They send their love and hope no matter what your political beliefs are, and speak of the losses that many have had to the COVID epidemic, which is exceeding more than 100,000 cases daily in the U.S. alone. We at the Angel Scrolls also wish to send our condolences to those that have had losses due to COVID-19. We also understand that many hearts are heavy believing the current political situation in the U.S. is heading in the wrong direction. However, do not be discouraged, for the miracle that will soon come will give much relief to those who are hurting and suffering all over the world. This miracle will be a direct result of the majority of people that were able to see the truth behind all that has been happening in politics for the past 4 years, and believe it or not, the changes coming will bring less pain and suffering in humanity's future, and they will be witnessed and experienced by the entire world. The song Ryan chose for today is Songbird by Natasha Hemmings. It is a beautiful reverse rendition that is sure to give the true supporters of God and the angels some divine emotion. Here is that song.
That completes this presentation. To hear more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at theangelscrolls.com.